Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name is Aaron and today we are installing a part that the rear end of my Mark 6 Golf R has desperately needed. It just came in a couple days ago. Let's go ahead and unbox it and see what I got. In the meantime, why don't you hit that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, leave a comment down below, tell me a joke in the comment section, and let's get started.
Don't you love it when it just slips right in?
We also got the bitch ass muffler off.
Oh! You're good. They're all, whoa, which Matt? Matt W or Matt V?
Alright. Let's see how they boxed it up. Let's see. Alright. Yeah, so the rear end of this car has actually needed this modification for quite a while. And I finally found one that I actually really liked. So I'm excited to see what it all looks like. So we have our mounting hardware here. We're gonna keep that. And here we go. Yes, sir. Let's put that right there. Grab the camera. Ladies and gents, we have a new spoiler for my car. This thing looks freaking sick so far. And yeah, we haven't even unpackaged it yet. It comes with a carbon fiber strip that'll go around the edge of it here. We also got a sticker and like I said, all the mounting hardware. So yeah, let's go ahead and bust everything open. Let's take a look at what this looks like out of the bag. Dang, dude, this thing is huge, bro. Sheesh. Let's put it down here. I assume gonna go, because it's got a hole here for the window pisser. That's gonna be, actually, I don't know if my car has one, or we covered it up with the vinyl. I'm gonna have to find it. But, dude, look. Yo, dude, this looks so freaking sick. You can't really see it on this side. Dude, it's so much bigger, bro. Yo, all right, let's bust everything else out and we'll start on the install. So obviously they gotta give you stickers, right? But I don't know why they would give you American flag stickers on something that's clearly for a European car. Okay, so it does recommend that I use tape, like masking tape, but I don't have that. So what we're gonna do is I have some leftover wrap that I'm gonna use instead. But basically we're just gonna find the center of this opening here and the center of my brake light here. So I just marked a little bit there in the rough center of kind of where I think center is. I just put it somewhere there. And then same thing on the brake light, just somewhere on the center of the brake light. And I'm going to go ahead and grab my tape measure and we're going to measure out the center and the center, put a line through it, and that way we can line them both up when we start the drilling process. Okay, that really took it out of me. I actually didn't realize this was going to be a two-person job, but to make sure that you measure twice and drill once, definitely is a two-person job. dropped my light. Alright. That's the stuff. Gotta wallow that one out a little bit more, but then, yeah, we'll go into the next step.
A few minutes later.
So turns out I really do need a 1/2-inch drill bit. So I'm gonna go up the street to the store and I will be right back with the proper tools. Okay, I finally got back with the drill bits. So let's go ahead and get this first part mounted up. It requires to pull the third brake light out so you can reach behind it and tighten the nuts on the mounting screws. Once we get those first two in, the second two holes that we have to drill are the 1/2-inch holes, but they'll be a lot easier to line up because everything will already be mounted onto the car, and these will be just the support screws. So yeah, let's go ahead and do this next part. I had to remove just a little bit of my wrap so you can see it, but let me focus in on there. So there is a little gray clip right there, and then in the same spot right there that I had to just peel a little bit of wrap back to reach, but you stick a screwdriver in there, you push those out, and then from there you stick a screwdriver into the front of the third brake light and pull that out. Leave it to European ingenuity to make clips and whatever else you gotta pull off to do a simple little task. So yeah, this is gonna be fun. Huh. Yeah. You can see it now with it fully pulled out. It literally just pulls straight down. Now that I marked it, we're gonna go ahead and pull it back off, finish drilling the 1/2-inch holes, and then we'll put it all back together. They're like these fancy little mounting pieces, and basically it's a rubber, it's like a long rubber nut that you screw into, and as it tightens, it enlarges. So it actually fills in the hole. That's why you drill into exactly 1/2 inch, work these guys in there, and then you tighten it. Sweet. All right, and then now that it's mounted, we're gonna go ahead and put the light back in.
Several days later.
Dude, yo, let's freaking go, man. So sick. It's kind of hard to tell from that angle. Let's see. Turn the AC off. Look at that. Dude, it's so cool. That's what it looks like from the front. It sticks out just a little bit. Dude. It looks so good. Here's from a little bit further back. Oh. Bro. I absolutely freaking dig it. Wow. It literally just does so much. And again, it's such a small thing. It's such an easy modification. Well, I wouldn't say easy. I struggled with getting this third brake light back in for literally an hour. Because the clips don't... It's not self-explanatory on how the clips work. I tried pushing the clips in, and then eventually when I managed to figure it out was, you know, because I'm pushing on it, pushing against the light, and then trying to stick the clip in. And while I was pushing on it, I pulled the clip out and I felt it slip a bit back further in. And I was like, huh, that's weird. So then I pushed on the clip and it went right in. So apparently it's like you have to push the clips up a little bit, put the light in, and then push the clips the rest of the way. It's like a 3-step process or something. I don't know. Yeah, I fought with that for a while. But yeah, man. No, it literally, like, it looks more like the Mark 7 now because of how much bigger the little spoiler is. And it looks just so much better, so much more aggressive looking. As you can see, we're putting the little carbon fiber looking lip on the very end of this spoiler here. And yeah, getting this turn right in here, this little curve, definitely was nice having the heat gun. Because every time I'd push it down in there and move on to the next part, it would go boop. So gave him a little heat and it went right in. Dude, it looks so good. So it sticks out a good, like, I don't know, 8 to 10 inches, probably. At least. Probably 10 inches almost. Yeah, you know, that's freaking sick. It flushes up so it sticks out as far as the window down here. So it's a straight line. And it looks so much better. The stock OEM wing just isn't aggressive enough. But this, it takes the same form, it just accentuates it. And it looks so much better. I like the little indent on the top. Everything about this, it's really good. The regular color, like a white, black, red, I think they had like 4 different base colors for the little strip, $180. I paid $210 because I got the carbon fiber. But yeah, literally $180 for this. I mean, it's so good, dude. It's so good. You don't always have to spend tons of money to get something that looks really nice. Eternal.